Alrighty guys, so day 3 of putting the Evo back together. Today we're putting the exhaust on, as well as torquing the rest of the wheels, and then putting the fender back on. As you can see here, it's not put back on. But other than that, all the fluids, as you just saw, all the fluids are put back. Drive shaft, all that jazz is all torqued in there, perfect. I'm super excited. So we're gonna be driving the car today, hopefully. Other than that, we're gonna get the show back on the road, and hopefully you'll see this bad boy cruising through that garage door here shortly. So let's get back to it, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alrighty everyone, so now the car, as you can see, is on the ground and the wheels are back on and torqued and everything. I didn't record very much of the process of dropping it and everything. I'm just really excited to get it on the ground and ready to go, so that was my main priority. We're gonna start it up here, let it warm up for about a minute or two, and then we're gonna take her out onto the road. So here we go.
on it, so we're just gonna take it for a quick test drive and then park it until we get the muffler on it. Thanks for checking. Oh, hold on.
Didn't close.
Didn't close. I didn't.
Oh, wait.
Here. You got it? Yep. Sounds like the end of the world.
We have people coming out and checking, making sure everything's okay. But we're okay. We're chilling. This is sick. As you can tell, there's an idling problem. I think it's just the tune. But for right now, we're just gonna take it for a little test trip. I haven't driven this thing in a year and a half. This is a surreal moment.
People are coming to check on us.
Is everything okay?
Yeah. You want me to shoot this way?
Anywhere.
Can't see much.
You can shoot out there. Oh, I missed this. Oh, this thing is gnarly.
Yes, I like it.
Yeah. Oh my god. This thing is going to be insane.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You know what that is?
Flat tire? Did we do something? Something doesn't sound right. Let's go park it. Something's rubbing. Something's rubbing on this side.
Something's rubbing on this side too.
Give me here.
It's the problem, it's coming back! You wanna watch it?
Yeah, just drive here.
Go back slowly. You know what I think it is?
Just go park. Go park in the garage.
What does it look like?
No, I can't see. Something's rubbing though. Like sounds like the wheels are rubbing both sides. So
I think it's the rear diff.
the diff maybe, yeah.
That's the problem that was happening before, right?
Yeah. Well, oh, what was that?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
Something.
Oh, okay.
We're just gonna nice and slow.
That was the test drive.
Oh yeah.
Edit that part out, right?
Nah, we'll keep that part. This is all staying.
It's not rubbing anymore.
I know. I totally think it's the rear diff.
Yeah.
I hear it.
Something's dragging.
I hear it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Can you feel it now?
Oh, I feel it.
Douche, 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 douche. That was probably good.
Hey, at least we made it back home. That's what matters.
We'll give it.
Woo!
Yeah, man. You.
Woo! Oh yeah, you like.
Yeah, that's.
But I think that's the rear diff, and that's because that was what the problem was before.
Yeah.
Before I parked it,
Yeah.
it was hopping,
Yeah.
and I hear it sounds like something's spinning loosely in there.
Yeah. Well,
But that's what the winter's for.
that's what the winter's for.
It's okay.
Good. Right on. That was
It's
awesome.
okay. You know what? Oil pan's not leaking. That's
You
what
want to
matters.
say hello to your YouTube?
Oh, well, that's all for now, folks. But until next time, have a good night. Make sure you to like and subscribe because there's obviously now going to be more on the Evo. And if you know what that problem may be, comment down below. If not, enjoy. Adios, amigos.